get a good look, but don't get too used to it, especially not the roof, because this is the last time that we're going to see the roof like this. And the reason for that is that I'm going to get a roof wrap today. I'm going to get it in black, and I'm going to get it from a place called AutoSkins NI just outside Lisburn. So without further ado, let's jump in the car and hit the road. So you might ask, why a roof wrap? Well, I consider a whole wrap, but an entire wrap on really on any size car isn't exactly a cheap thing to do. And I've never done any wrapping before, so I don't know kind of what it's like. So this kind of is like dipping my feet into the whole wrapping thing. And also the roof, even though it's a relatively big area, so should have a decent visual impact, because it's basically just a rectangle and fairly simple, it's not too expensive. So it's quite a cost-effective way to get a decent visual change. So there's that. Then also, because of all the other black accents that I've put on the outside of the car, you know, the things like the front splitter, the front mountain bumper thing, the carbon fiber wing mirror caps, the carbon fiber light eyebrow things, and most significantly, the carbon fiber rear wing will all be tied together more with this roof wrap, because I'm going to get it in black. And of course, all those bits that I just mentioned, rear diffuser as well, are all black. So it'll match in with everything and tie everything together, I feel, especially the rear wing, because obviously the rear wing is right beside the roof. It'll kind of give this kind of continuous flow of blackness, and I think it'll just make a lot of sense. So I'm on the way, let's go get it done. Well, I've arrived here at AutoSkins NI, so it's about to happen. that is the roof wrap complete. AutoSkins NI did a fantastic job. Their quality, their attention to detail is second to none. I think it looks unbelievably cool, it's great. It went for matte black in the end, as you can see. I hope the wife likes it, I hope you like it, I hope you like this video. Please do go and like AutoSkins NI on their social media. Please do like, share and subscribe for more content to come very, very soon. Cheers for watching, goodbye.